Keela here from Ace Vacuums in our Leesburg store. Sorry guys, I know it's been a while since I've been on here and giving you guys some demos on some things. But just wanted to reiterate, don't forget that we do have two locations. We have our Fairfax location that is located at 11110 Lee Highway, Fairfax, Virginia, as well as we have our Leesburg location that is located at 300 4700 Northeast, Leesburg, Virginia. Another reminder to all of our customers that we do have different social media outlets that you can also check out, shop, see what we have, and things like that. So we have our Facebook page, we have our Instagram page, you can also check out our Google page. We also have our website that's www.acevacuums.com, so you can always check that out and see what we have. Just wanted to talk to you guys about a couple of things since we haven't been on here and talked a lot. We do offer vacuum services and repairs at both of our locations. We do a free estimate on all types of vacuums, so you guys can, bring your vacuum in. We'll let you know what's going on with it, what issues are going with it, things like that. We also do different services, as well as just cleaning out your vacuum. Tune-ups is what we call it. So tuning up your vacuum means going in, cleaning your vacuum out top to bottom, changing your filters, making sure everything's going good for you. So we would let you know if anything was wrong with your vacuum. Another thing we do have is we offer all types of bags, belts, filters, all different kinds of things for your vacuums at home. So you can always bring your vacuum in or give one of us a call, and we can help you from there over the phone. Another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is with the spring cleaning season coming up, talking about vacuum upgrades. So one thing that we do offer here, and I should say both of our locations, is we offer vacuum trade-ins. So we give up to $100 off of a trade-in on any vacuum in our store, whether it be a canister, upright, anything like that. So we do have a lot of different brands in our store. So we do have everything from shampooers to canister vacuums, uprights, stick vacs, really anything that you guys need for your house cleaning needs at home. So you can check out either of our locations. Like I said, you can also check out any of our online media pages. We can also help you there. That way, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can reach out to me or one of the managers of the other stores, and we can help you get done whatever you guys need for your vacuums. So with the trade-in program, something that I kind of want to remind all of my customers is that with the trade-ins, even if your vacuum is not working, you can always bring it in. I know that I get a lot of calls with people asking me, hey Kayla, look, my vacuum doesn't work. Does the trade-in offer still apply? Yes, it does. So, and you don't have to, if you bring us the canister, you don't have to trade in for another canister. So maybe you've had a canister for years, you're just ready for an upright, you're ready for a change. You can do that as well. Maybe you've had an upright, you're ready for a change into a canister. You can do that as well. We are here 7 days a week at both of our locations. We are here Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, Saturday, 9 to 6, and Sunday, 11 to 5. So if you guys have any questions, don't forget to give us a call at 703-997-9292, extension 1 for Fairfax, extension 2 for Leesburg. Thank you guys so much and have an amazing rest of your day. Bye guys.